Welcome to our channel. Recovering deleted photos from an SD card using Recuva is a straightforward process that can save precious memories. Here's how to retrieve your lost images effectively. Step 1. Download Recuva from the official Piriform website. Choose the free version, which is sufficient for photo recovery. Install the software on your computer by following the installation wizard. Step 2. Remove the SD card from your camera or device and connect it to your computer using an SD card reader. Make sure the card is properly detected by your system. Step 3. Launch Recuva and select Pictures when asked what type of files you want to recover. This helps Recuva focus specifically on image file formats. Step 4. Choose the location where the photos were deleted. Select your SD card from the list of available drives. Click Next to proceed. Step 5. Enable Deep Scan by checking the box. While this takes longer, it searches more thoroughly for recoverable files on your SD card. Step 6. Click Start and let Recuva scan your SD card. The process may take several minutes depending on the card's size and the depth of the scan. Step 7. Review the scan results. Files with green dots are in excellent condition, orange dots indicate partial recovery possible, and red dots mean files may be damaged. Step 8. Select the photos you want to recover by checking the boxes next to them. Click Recover and choose a different drive to save the recovered files. Never save recovered files back to the same SD card. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.